In this video, we're going to talk about neurons. So this is a general drawing of a neuron. It's not exactly what it's going to look like, but it just represents a neuron. The first structure we're going to talk about is going to be the soma right here. It's the general region over here, and it's also known as the cell body. It contains the nucleus and most of the organelles for the neuron. Next we have dendrites, which are these bushy branches that you see on the left side surrounding the soma. Those are going to be fibers that receive impulses from other neurons. Then we have the axon, which is the long fiber you can see on the right side. The axon gives impulses to other neurons. And then we have myelin sheath, which is fatty tissue that insulates the axons and speeds up impulses. Now I've redrawn the same image on this page, but we're going to look at some more structures. So on the right side you can see we have something called a synapse. A synapse is a connection between two neurons. So this thing coming out of the right side is actually the dendrite of a different neuron, and it's connecting with the axon of the neuron we have. Then we have the terminal button, which is this thing. There are these little buttons at the end of axons, and it's the end of an axon, and there are multiple of them in one axon, where neurotransmitters are stored and where the neuron connects to other neurons. Lastly, we have the axon hillock, which is where the soma, like the cell body, connects with the axon. And that's the location where the neuron decides if it wants to send impulses or not.